Hello everyone, welcome to the Dynamics Modeling of Cities channel. This is Apeksha Bhatida and today we are going to learn how to create a survey using a software tool like Qualtrics. Qualtrics is a survey software that allow users to easily create survey, design them collaboratively and share responses with others. To start with, just open Qualtrics in your browser. It will provide a multiple option of survey. There is a survey cost, or you can also do it for free. You can click on the free account and just create an account. You can access it free with your university ID, and as you can see that this page will be appearing, so where you can create your own survey or you can import your data. You can change the display of your survey from here on clicking look and fields. And these are some templates available. And also you can add some more. And you can change the survey flow. Also you can on survey options, this window will appear where you can change the settings, as you can change settings of save and continue, and you can decide whoever gets the survey by invitation or other things, and there are many options to work out. And under the tool settings, there are many options to explore like collaboration. Under review, you can change the other features like spell check and check survey accessibility and etc. So yeah, these are the main thing about the survey. Once it is done, the further options are available like here: action, distribution, data and analysis, and reports. Under distribution, there are several options to distribute the survey that are present via mail, web, social, etc. Under data analysis, you can get collective view of your data, stats, and cross-app, etc. And under report, you can see the responses and reports, whichever will be coming. So these were the options available for survey. Now starting with this forming survey, you can give the title to your project, and also there is an option available for importing questions from, or you can start creating your new question. Just click on create new question, and as the template set here will show you the multiple choice question. You can start by framing a question, and here are number of options available for answers here, which you can explore. As the template is being selected for multiple choice, so under the multiple choice you can have different kinds of options, as you can see. And under matrix table, you can see different kinds of options available, and likewise goes with another options. And it is a very simple form of, also you can add graphics and all to the survey. And this survey is used by many of the companies. Also you can add and subtract and add choices from here. Also you can change the different settings for multiple answer or the other things. And there are more options, like you can add some display logics and all. So for an example, I have done a survey of this, where you can see the questionnaire going on, and you can also preview your survey here, which will look like something like this. And you can publish the survey and it is ready to be sent out. So this is how you complete the survey and distribute it and get a reply and see the responses. I hope this video is helpful for you. So, thank you for watching.